This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. I'm excited to offer you either 15 minutes or 30 minutes of expert repair advice to get your machine going. I work on all the different models here and can help you with fixing your dryer or your washing machine, or your dishwasher, and we can help you through a phone call or through Zoom meeting or texting, whatever's better for you. And again, you can choose either 15 minutes or 30 minutes, and we'll keep working until we get your machine going again. Also, I can help you with a stove or an oven, and basically all large appliances. So just look at the information in the description below the video and we'll get you started right away.